Nanubabo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Errandboy Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Mia's Nook for sending us these cakes and lovely desserts. If you notice guys, sa gitna natin, I already have my plate, samples ng mga tubs natin in the middle. We're gonna introduce them to you one by one. Let's start with sa mga dalawang box na to. So the first box na introduce namin sa inyo guys is called Brownie Cheesecake Cups. This is how they look like. And then yung next box natin is chocolate cookies. Inside we have a chocolate chip, and then the other one is double chocolate cookie. Let me show them to you this way para makita po ninyo. Yeah, there you go. So in the middle we have our plate with our sample scoop. Let's start with this. So ito ang tinatawag nilang Oreo and salted caramel cheesecake. And then next is itong tinatawag nilang chocolate cheesecake. And then the next tub is called strawberry cheesecake. The next tub is called moist chocolate cake. And then next nating tub is called the red velvet cheesecake. And then yung last tub natin, it's called choco caramel. Right, so moment of truth, tikman natin isa-isa. I think I'm gonna go first with this Oreo and salted caramel, no? Tikman natin. Wow! Wow! Ternong-terno actually. This is a perfect match with Oreo and caramel plus yung saltiness ng cheesecake. It's a perfect match. If you've been following me guys, I'm an Oreo person, so medyo biased ako dito. Next is this chocolate cheesecake. Let's taste it. Oh wow, that is really, how can I describe it? Para siyang yung texture niya is like infinity. It doesn't have a start or an end. Kasi sobrang pure ng chocolate. That is really surprising. Let's go to our next spoon. So itong tinatawag nilang strawberry cheesecake. Oh wow. You know what? I'm just so happy na meron silang fruit flavored cakes, no? So, you know, sigurado may mga maghahanap dyan ng mga, you know, fruit based cheesecakes. Next to taste, chocolate moist cake. That's heavy on the chocolate. Grabe guys, this is so heavy. For the calorie, for the sugar. But what can I do? Sarap! So next to taste is yung kanilang red velvet cheesecake. Wow! This is so mind-blowing for the first time na. Actually kasi yung mga usual na red velvet na natitikman ko tends to, you know, lean towards a little bit sour. Medyo maasim yung mga red velvet cakes nila. But this one, you know, I didn't taste that. Sarap. And then lastly guys, ito yung tinatawag nilang choco caramel cake. Oh wow. That, my friend, is so balanced with, you know, para sa akin kapag caramel based yung sweet, medyo savory. I think para sa akin personally, ganun yung medyo natitikman ko kapag caramel. So, if you're to ask me which one will I pick, I'm gonna go for their Oreo and salted caramel. This is gonna be my last bet. Kung tatanungin niyo ako kung ano yung last bet ko dito sa mga cakes natin. Oh wow! So there you have it guys. I do hope you like this video, and more than you guys watch me enjoy the food that they bring to our house. I hope you can enjoy them as well. You have to try them. You know, every once in a while, if you have the chance to, order from these businesses na nagpapadala po sa amin ng mga products nila, I hope you can try them as well. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na yung mga sweet tooth natin ng mga kaibigan. You gotta try out Mia's Nook. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, peace out. Bye.